Is your external component the Vstdlib.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Valve Steam links. Get the professional Vstdlib fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Vstdlib, the Valve standard library. It provides unmanaged utility routines for the source engine, facilitating the data link between game assets and the hardware orchestration manifest. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Vstdlib is distributed specifically with Valve Steam and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Valve Steam to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Vstdlib component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that Vstdlib.dll operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to Vstdlib synchronization. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Vstdlib remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.